Not long ago, I watched a film named Kerala Files. It left me disturbed, not just by its story, but by the harsh truth it reflected. How manipulation and deceit can be used to influence something as personal as faith. And if manipulation can be this brutal, imagine how cruel forced conversions can be. It's easy to point fingers at one religion to prove the superiority of another, but the truth is, no religion is perfect, and none is completely wrong. We are here on this planet not to hate, but to create, to share, to love, and to live in peace. But over time, we have turned faith into a battlefield, forgetting the very values it was meant to uphold. Today, I bring you the story of an emperor who chose a different path. Over 2500 years ago, he issued what is believed to be the world's first human rights charter, a declaration of tolerance, freedom, and dignity. This is the story of Cyrus the Great and the legendary Cyrus Cylinder. 2500 years ago, in the arid lands of Persia, a king changed history, not by sword, but by wisdom. Cyrus II, known as Cyrus the Great, was no ordinary conqueror. He built the vast Achaemenid Empire. But what made him truly great wasn't just how much land he ruled, it was how he ruled. In 539 BCE, after conquering Babylon, Cyrus did something no ruler had ever done before. He freed the enslaved, restored temples, allowed exiled people to return home, including the Jews to Jerusalem. And he didn't just say it, he wrote it down on a clay cylinder. The Cyrus cylinder, inscribed in cuneiform script, is often hailed as the first declaration of human rights. It speaks of freedom of religion, racial equality, and dignity for all subjects. Long before the UN or the Magna Carta, a Persian king set the tone for governance with compassion. The Greek historian Xenophon admired Cyrus for his fairness. Even today, his legacy resonates. In 1971, Iran gifted a replica of the Cyrus cylinder to the United Nations, a powerful symbol of hope. Cyrus proved that true greatness lies not in conquest but in conscience. In a time of ruthless kings, he chose justice. In a world still learning tolerance, his message echoes freedom, dignity, and unity. Remember, Cyrus the Great, not just as a king, but as beacon of human values that still guide us today.